Hi guys, it's Dan and Becky from
Bugs on the Windshield. Ooh.
We're kind of behind with our videos. We had some footage from last year. We've already been out a couple of times this year, but we still have some things to share with you from last year. So that's what we're going to do today.
Yeah, this is some video from the new drone I got last year. It's
for
a
your
Maverick
birthday,
Air,
yeah.
for my birthday. So I really only had it out about twice before. So once was basically just to fly it up in the neighborhood to see how it worked, and
in the house.
In the house.
In the house.
Yeah, and so this was the first time I really got to actually shoot some video of something that we were going to keep. And so it was kind of fun to play with and get some video of the lake and the campground.
This is one of our favorite spots, actually. At the end of the season last year, we went to Eisenhower State Park and in Kansas, and it is one of our favorite spots. I know that there's an Eisenhower State Park in Texas as well, but this one, the one we go to, of course, is in Kansas. It's about an hour and a half away from our house, so it's an easy thing to get to on a Friday night, and we really enjoy it.
Particular park actually was called Melvern State Park up until 1990 when they changed the name to Eisenhower State Park.
Well, whatever it's called, I really enjoy it. We didn't realize until we got the drone up how nice the trail is. We heard that there was a trail near us, but we didn't know it was this close, and we didn't know how nice it was. It looks like it's really well maintained and everything, so we'll make sure we'll bring our bikes from now on so we can ride, and also it's a good walking trail.
Which the lake is approximately a little over 1,700 acres, so it's a pretty good sized lake.
It is a pretty good sized lake. But it's really pretty. This is a Sunday morning. We're up early, just playing with the drone. I was relaxing by the remnants of last night's campfire, but I told Dan, take it on out there, go out, but
I wanted to get some video of her sitting in the chair.
Yeah, I guess.
And I thought maybe since she was relaxing, I would maybe bring the controller over.
Yeah, make me fly it. I'm a pilot. Okay, let's see.
So I'm pointing.
I wasn't very good at it, by the way.
Yeah, I'm pointing out some of the features and some of the stuff that it'll do that I figured out. I haven't figured out everything out yet, so what do I know?
We don't know. We shouldn't have electronics. They're like, what does this work?
Yeah, she's got it figured out now. Now she's going to take her on up.
I really like the view from high up because you can see a lot of the campground here.
Yeah, this is just one of the campground areas at the state park.
Yeah, you can see this little area right there that we're showing you. That is like a full hookup area. They're back in sites. They're a little bit away from the lake, but they're really nice. Really nice place.
Yeah, the site that we had was just water and electric. They do have a pretty decent, or actually have a nice dump station with several places to dump altogether.
They do, several of them.
So and we've never.
We're there for a weekend. We really don't. I mean, it'd be nice to have full hookups, but we don't have to have them. So yeah. Not for just a weekend.
Yeah, the most likely we've stayed, on general is about 3 or 4 days, like something like this. We did back last year stay for.
Oh, we stayed for not a whole week, but partial week. We went out on a Wednesday. It was just a weird year, of course, with the
everything going on.
Yeah, with the COVID and everything happening. So yeah, it was a weird year.
And there's part of the bike trail you can see that is really close to our campsite here.
It's not very far away at all. I'm kind of surprised it's that close. I don't know why it surprised me so. There's the wolf pack. I like these pull-through sites here. They're very nice. It's easy to get into, especially, I mean, we leave usually around 5:30, leave the house around 5:30 on a Friday night, and we don't get there probably sometimes until 8. We go down and hook up our camper and then hit the road, and by the time we get down there, it's probably close to 8.
Yeah, it's starting to get dark.
It's nice to have a pull-through. You can just pull in and maybe even not unhook until the morning if you don't want to. So there's a little outlet lake close by
on the other side of the dam.
Right, on the other side of the dam. We go over there sometimes with our kayaks, and this is a really cool little lake. It's very nice. They've got a swimming area, and then you know, of course, the little lake there, so you don't have to worry about wakes or anybody getting their boats in and things like that. So it's really cool. Dan had to put the drone out here with the rest of us all in the water. My sister-in-law is here and some of our friends, and he's a little nervous about, I think, taking the
flying
drone,
over the water.
Flying over the water. Oops, that'd be bad.
Luckily, it wasn't very windy that day, so I thought, well, I'd take a chance and just take it out, kind of play with some of the features that it had.
Yeah, if it falls in, then it's toast, I guess. Bye birthday present.
Yeah.
Gotta get a new birthday present. Really nice, calm waters. I think he was trying this feature out here, and I really love this video.
Yeah, this was like an orbiting feature on the camera. I just set it to do this, and it does this automatically. Actually, it stays at the same height that keeps the all the kayakers in the center of the screen. Here's some
No, really high up.
video from way up. They're all playing together out there, so I can keep track of them.
From the water, or from the edge, I guess. You can keep track of us from the edge here. We're not very far out, though. It's not a very big outlet lake.
Yeah.
There's Dan's kayak, just
waiting to get out there.
Waiting to get out there, yeah. I think this really, watching the video makes me really want to get out there again and get in the kayak and, you know, camp some more.
Here I am still over the water. Let's get back off the water.
Yeah, let's land in the grass or something. That would be better. We hope you have enjoyed our drone video from last season. We intend to use it
A lot more next year.
Yeah, we'll use it a lot more next year, so stay tuned for some of that footage. It'll be fun to give it a try. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, it's Dan and Becky from Bugs on the Windshield.
Bugs on the Windshield's my part.
I know, sorry.